Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. If you watched the last vlog, it's actually the very next day that I ended the last vlog. And let me just tell you, today has not gone as planned. It's still gonna be a great day because I'm gonna make it a great day, but it has not gone as planned. First, I went to bed at 4 a.m. editing the video that's going up today. Still not done with it. My plan was to wake up at 8 and go to the gym, but that was before I went to bed at 4 a.m. So then I couldn't wake up at 8 a.m. I tried to wake up at 9 a.m., couldn't do it. Missed my opportunity to go to the gym, kind of. And then I finally get up at like 11. I grab my camera and I was like, oh, I still have all this old footage on here. Let me clear up some space. I deleted the entire intro. Like I already filmed this entire thing and I just deleted it. And there is no, oh yikes, there's a siren. Hope everyone's okay. Yikes. But there's no like recently deleted file like there is on your phone and on your computer. It's just once it's deleted, it's gone. Fuck me. So here I am refilming the intro to this vlog. But yeah, that's how this day has been going. So I'm gonna go downstairs again, eat some food, edit, and then get to cleaning the entire house. But I'm not gonna do this vlog like a normal cleaning vlog because I really don't know if people like cleaning vlogs or not. So please comment down below and let me know, do you enjoy watching people clean, like sped up, watching them clean, like the actual process of cleaning? Or do you prefer to not watch all that footage in between? Like, is that boring for you? Let me know. But in today's vlog, I am gonna clean the whole house, but I'm just gonna show you before I clean the room and then after, and not do all the cleaning in between, because I don't want this vlog to be crazy long, and it is Thanksgiving this week and I'll be vlogging that in this vlog too. So I don't want there to be too much, and I don't want 90% of the vlog to be me cleaning, but I'm starving. I'm trying not to get annoyed with everything that's going wrong. I feel very positive still about the day. So let's keep rolling with it. Let's go downstairs, eat some food, and get this video up. Well, not this video, the last video, you know what I mean.
We have a little girl and we gotta do whatever it takes to make sure she grows up having a normal life.
Okay, little kitty.
I think that's what any child deserves.
I'm just eating some cereal. It's Raisin Bran Crunch, which is my current favorite cereal, but sometimes it's like too sweet. I don't know. I need to go to the store and check out other cereals. But this is what I got from Target. Oh, it has a, cute. This is the Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus. So I'm gonna do a review on this really soon. And I think I'm gonna compare both. So I'll do like one half of my head with the old one and one half with this 2.0, I guess, or plus version. I don't know when I'll do that. Maybe I'll do that next weekend and have that video up in the next couple weeks. But I'm just gonna eat and then I'm gonna edit. I don't know for how long till I'm done because I need to get the video up today. And then I'm gonna take Luna outside. Maybe you guys can come outside with us. I don't know, she's been acting kind of crazy outside, so maybe I need to like focus on her when we're out there because she's nuts. If I don't take you outside with Luna, I will see you when I start cleaning this messy, disgusting ass house. It's Thanksgiving! We already went to the gym, all three of us. Me and Tori went to our gym and then Vic went to his gym, but we all worked out. And now we're all gonna shower and get ready for the day and start cooking and doing all the Thanksgiving things and I'm so excited. We're just gonna be chilling out the house, just the three of us. I don't know if our friends may stop by later. They're going to the Cowboys game, but maybe they'll stop by later after that. Don't know for sure though. We like having a small little Thanksgiving. My parents are going to their friend's house over by where they live, so I don't think we're gonna see them today. Maybe I'll drive over there and see them tomorrow. I don't know, but I am just excited for Thanksgiving and food and family time.
Your parents are coming
and,
over? Huh? Your parents are coming over to that?
They're going to Missy Bonds.
Oh.
Maybe we'll see my parents tomorrow. I have no idea. My arms have been itching for the past like 3 days because I got my allergy shots and they're so itchy. I can't stop. I'm like itching it in my sleep and I'll wake up with like a huge like red mark on my arm because I'm scratching it while I'm sleeping and I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited for the day. Just being off work for the next Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, for the next 4 days and just relaxing with family and all of us actually getting to chill, because between the three of our schedules, we are so in and out of this house that we see each other, but not for long periods of time, you know? It's just gonna be a good day. Okay, it's way later now. I showered, but I want to show you guys my Thanksgiving outfit. It's just comfortable clothes, basically. Leggings from Naked Wardrobe, old top from Nordstrom Rack, and then my new Abercrombie sweater that was in the last vlog when I did the little haul. And I have on socks, comfy socks. I'm super warm and comfortable. I made a couple TikToks and now we're just hanging out. The food is pretty much done. Is the turkey in the oven? Yeah. Okay, let me show you. So we've got Tori's famous mac and cheese that I can't eat because it's dairy. We have some stuffing or dressing, whatever you want to call it. Green beans in there. I don't want to touch these because it's kind of hot. Or sorry, not green beans, greens. We did green beans last year. We did greens this year. Candied yams. I don't ever eat that, so I never know what it's called. I'm not a sweet potato person. And then the only thing I made was the mashed potatoes. And then the turkey is in the oven, but I'm gonna open the oven and let all the heat out. But Vic tried this new recipe. It's like smothered, right?
Yeah, smothered turkey.
Smothered turkey wings. So I'll show you guys that when it's done because it sounds so good. All we have left to make is the gravy, right? And then we're done. Gravy, and then we get to eat. It's 4:30 now, so we're pretty much right on track. I feel like people eat around 4. Vic is playing with Luna on the floor with her little, she's wild. Tori is sitting there. They're making us watch the final episode of BMF, Black Mafia Family. I just don't like it because it's like violent and scary and everyone gets killed and shit. And I'm like, why do we always have to watch violent stuff? But after they finish this episode, we will be watching Christmas movies for the rest of the day. Okay, it's the next day. Oh, we didn't end up putting up the tree yesterday. We're gonna do it today. We almost also didn't do it today because we've been all half asleep the entire day. I think it's just because we ate so much yesterday and today that we're all just like in a food coma. I've been tired all day. I did not go to the gym. I was gonna go to the gym. Didn't happen. I was gonna get ready and film all this stuff today. Did not happen. Doing all of that tomorrow now. Me, Vic, and Tori were just all passed out on the couch for a couple hours. Still very tired, but I have some things, some packages I wanted to open. Then we're gonna put up the tree. Vic's about to go to the store really quick and get some of Luna's cat food. Luna eats the most particular cat food, and the flavor she likes is like sold out at every store. I ordered some online, but it's gonna take like a week to get here, so he's gonna go try to find some of it now and then pick up a few things. But I figured since he is gonna go do that before we put up the tree and everything, I'm just gonna open some packages. This first package is from Flaunt, which is where I get my phone cases from. People always ask me where this phone case is from because it's so square and pretty and like sleek. But I get it from Flaunt on Instagram. Absolutely love. Obviously the new phone came out, but I only get a new phone like every other new phone or new iPhone that comes out. The new one that came out I did not get. So instead, I'll usually change like the background on my phone and then get a new case, and then it feels like a new phone. Now I'm hot. I was so cold when I was taking a nap. But I got a new case and she's white They have really cute colors right now. They have like neutral colors. They just came out with a black one, and they have like a light beige one and then a tan one. So I was gonna get one of those, but I don't know. I just couldn't decide. And Tori has the same phone case, but the tan one that's like kind of this color. So I didn't want us to have the same phone. So I got a white one. I think it's super sleek. And I think this other package from Amazon is my pop socket. I always have to have a pop socket. Whenever I hold someone's phone and I'm trying to do something on their phone and they don't have a pop socket, I don't understand how they function and do life and hold their phone. Because it's so much easier on your hands and stuff if you have a pop socket. Oh, it's kind of peach. That's misleading. So the pop socket I thought I was getting, let's see if I can pull it up, was like a tan color, but the pop socket that's sent is like peach. Like if you were coloring in a white person with a crayon, it's like that color. Yeah, this does not look like that color. Look at the pop socket I ordered.
Oh, it's cute. It's like,
look at what I got. Now I just gotta figure out a new pop socket to get. I always get them on Amazon, so it'll be quick. But I got that, which will feel exciting. Once I put it on, it'll feel like a brand new phone. I have had this box from Lash forever, and I'm pretty sure what they sent was for me to promote the Black Friday sale, which is today. But I haven't even opened the box yet because life has just been, it's been a little bit of an adjustment these past few weeks with the new job and trying to figure out my new routine and my new schedule and just like get my life together. And I feel like I still haven't really got it together. So I feel bad because I'm pretty sure I was supposed to post and stuff before today. But the sale will still be, I can't talk. The sale will still be going on when you're watching this. So it still applies and you can still take advantage of it. And the sale goes all the way to Tuesday, November 30th at 1 a.m. Mountain Time. It's 25% off all products, and you can stack my code on top of the 25% off. And I believe my code is 20% off, so you'll get a total of 45% off of your purchases. And if you spend $225, you receive a free essential serum. That's what I have been using to grow my lashes back after I, you know, picked at them and like picked my lash extensions off. The essential serum is probably my favorite product from Lash. But yeah, that is the sale, and they sent this really cute PR box in this beautiful sparkly box. It's so pretty. My mom's gonna want this box. She loves anything that sparkles. Luna, you get a new toy too. You get a cardboard box. She loves a box. Oh, it's so cute. We have the essential serum, the volumizing mascara, the plumping lip jelly, the volumizing brow filler, and the enhancing conditioner. I love all of these products. I've used them all before, but my favorite product is the essential serum. Definitely take advantage of the sale because, again, if you use my code on top of the sale, you get 45% off, which is almost half off. And not only is it good for you to use, but if you're looking for something to add on to someone's gift, I typically like to get someone something and then I get them a couple like little things with it. And this is the perfect gift for that. And you can use it whether you have lash extensions or not. So it's honestly the perfect gift, but thank you Lash for sending this to me. Maybe potentially I'll do a giveaway soon with this box since I do have all of these products already. I will think about that and come up with something, and maybe we'll do like a holiday giveaway. We will do a holiday giveaway, but that's all I got. I really was excited for my new phone and pop socket, but this pop socket is not it. Okay, it's actually the next day. My camera died while we were decorating the tree, so after I put it on the charger, I completely forgot to show you the end result of the tree. So let me go downstairs and show you guys really quick, and I need to eat some food. I'm starving. If you're wondering why I'm full beat on a Saturday, it's because I'm filming stuff today. I'm about to film it's so dark in this house. It's very gloomy outside today, so the whole house is really dark. But I'm about to film my November favorites. That's why I'm done up. But oh, here's the tree. You can already see it. This is what our tree looks like. Cute. But yeah, like I said, I'm making a bunch of TikToks and filming my November favorites, which will be up very soon. And yeah, I have a very busy day, so I'm gonna eat some food because if I don't stop and eat, I will completely forget to eat and not eat all day. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Holding back, I got history.